Welcome to the second segment of the Galaxy Book series videos. So if you are someone who is directly watching the second segment of the video, there's the link in the description for the first segment of this video, because this video was created in 3 parts. The first part I have uploaded as a different video, and the second and third part has been uploaded as another video. So in this video, I'll be covering the second and third part. So if you are someone who missed the first segment, I have put the link in the description. Go check the first segment and then come back to this video and watch it out. So in this segment, we will be discussing the ecosystem features, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, let us move to the second segment, which is nothing but knowing the ecosystem. So I would like to clear one thing first only. These features which I'm going to mention now will only work if you have a Samsung smartphone. So if you have OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, iQOO or any other brand, these features will not work because Windows has only made collaboration with Samsung for these kind of ecosystem features to work. So let's move on to the ecosystem features. So now, firstly, let us talk about Gallery app. Now, Samsung's Gallery app will be now available on a Galaxy Books Windows. So whatever photos or videos you take on your smartphone will directly be available to the Galaxy Book laptop. Another advantage of this kind of ecosystem support is Your Phone app. Your Phone app seamlessly transfers phone calls and text on a smartphone to your Galaxy Book Pro, so that you can easily answer to that call and reply back to that text from your laptop without any hassle of switching the devices. This kind of software hardware speaking continuity was only available with iPhones and MacBook, but now it is available on Windows and Android as well. Your Phone app now also has a feature of pinning a specific Android app to the taskbar which you use the most, so that you can easily access it, and it saves time as well. Now let us talk about Clipboard. So Clipboard of your Galaxy smartphone, Galaxy tablet and Galaxy laptop are now synced together, so that you can copy a photo or text on a smartphone and can paste it on a tablet or laptop, which is really a small detail but will make a good impact on long run, because we always find a need that we copy some text on a smartphone and we feel that we can just paste it on the laptop, but previously it was not possible, but now it is. Now let us talk about Samsung Notes. Samsung Note is some of the best productivity app that I have ever come across. From highlighting your text to changing the font and to exporting your file which you have created with Samsung Note to any format like Word doc, docx or any sort of format, Samsung Note can do it all. And Samsung Note now is synced with Microsoft OneNote. So if you create a Samsung Note file on a smartphone, it will be available on your Galaxy Books OneNote app. But if you are someone who doesn't want to use OneNote, you can also use the Samsung Note app which Samsung has made available to the Galaxy Book laptop. This is really good feature for someone like me, because I'm always editing my video and I create notes for my videos. So I don't want to make a note on my smartphone and then transfer it to the laptop or my tablet. I just want to make a notes on my phone and want it to be accessible everywhere. Previously Samsung Notes wasn't able to do this, but now it does, and I'm really glad for it. Now let us talk about SmartThings app. The SmartThings app is now available to your Galaxy smartphone, Galaxy tablet and now Galaxy Book laptop as well. So now you can turn on or off your room's light and air conditioner with the help of your laptop, tablet or smartphone as well, which is really good. The SmartThings app will also help you to find your lost Galaxy Book laptop. So if you have lost a Galaxy Book laptop in somewhere in garden or mall, the other Galaxy devices will communicate with each other and send you the location of your Galaxy Book laptop in your SmartThings app, even when your laptop is offline. So this is really a good feature. With this, we have finished with the second segment of the video, that is knowing the ecosystem. Now let us move to the third segment, which is comparing the Galaxy Book laptop with other rivals. So Galaxy Book Pro at this price segment, which is 94,000 rupees in India, is competing with Dell's Latitude series and some other Lenovo laptops. I will say that Galaxy Book Pro 360 is better than the Dell Latitude series and other Lenovo laptops, because you not only get advanced Super AMOLED display, but you also have a support for expandable memory, which is really a cheap alternative if you want to upgrade your storage. And if you are a Samsung user, you have no other alternative than Galaxy Book Pro. This is some of the best ecosystem you will find out there, and you will enjoy the Galaxy Book laptop. So concluding my video, I will say that this kind of software hardware ecosystem support has been previously seen only with the Apple's ecosystem. This kind of idea of bringing that kind of ecosystem support to Windows and Android should be appreciated and should be given a positive reviews. So I will say that this in turn makes the Galaxy Book series a very unique product and a worth buying product. So until the next video, wear your mask, drink your water. Peace out.